Hello everyone and welcome! In this video, I'll be walking you through NarraPress, the content management system developed by 88 WebForge. Whether you're a business owner, a content editor, a marketing staff member, or someone responsible for updating your company's website, this tutorial is designed to help you understand how NarraPress works and how to use it effectively. We'll start by discussing what NarraPress is and why it was created. Then we'll explore the dashboard, learn how to create articles, understand every content block, and finally cover publishing, categories, keywords, and user roles. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to confidently manage your website's content without needing any technical or programming experience. Let's begin. What is NarraPress? Before we start clicking around, it's important to understand what NarraPress actually is. NarraPress is a content management system, commonly known as a CMS. A CMS allows you to manage your website's content without writing code. Instead of contacting a web developer every time you want to publish a company announcement, update a service, or post a new article, you can simply log into NarraPress and make those updates yourself. Think of NarraPress as the control center of your website. Everything related to your website's content, from blogs and news articles to events and announcements, can be managed from one centralized platform. The goal is to make website management simple, organized, and accessible for everyone, even users with little or no technical experience. Why we built NarraPress. Many content management systems available today are powerful, but they're often filled with features that businesses never actually use. This can make them confusing, slow to learn, and difficult to manage. NarraPress was designed with a different philosophy. Instead of trying to do everything, it focuses on doing the essentials really well. We wanted a CMS that's clean, intuitive, and efficient, one that allows businesses to update their websites quickly while maintaining consistency across every page. Whether you're posting a company announcement or publishing a blog article, the editing experience remains simple and familiar. Our objective is to reduce complexity while giving businesses full control over their website's content. How NarraPress helps businesses. A business website shouldn't stay the same for months. Customers expect to see updated services, current promotions, recent news, and fresh content. Keeping your website updated builds trust and shows that your business is active. With NarraPress, your team can update content immediately without waiting for a developer. Marketing teams can publish campaigns, human resources can post announcements, writers can create blogs, administrators can review and publish content. Everyone works together using one centralized platform. This reduces turnaround time, improves communication, and keeps your website current. Advantages and limitations. Like any software, NarraPress has both strengths and limitations. One of its biggest advantages is simplicity. The interface is clean, easy to navigate, and designed specifically for business users. Content is organized into reusable blocks, making articles easier to edit and maintain. User roles help protect your website by controlling who can publish or edit content. However, it's also important to understand what NarraPress is not. NarraPress is primarily a content management system. If your business requires entirely new website functionality or custom features, those changes would typically involve development work. By focusing on content management, NarraPress remains fast, reliable, and easy to learn. Dashboard overview. Now let's explore the dashboard. This is the first screen you'll see after logging in. The dashboard acts as your central workspace. From here, you'll find navigation links to your articles, categories, users, media library, settings, and other available modules. Depending on your role, some menu items may or may not be visible. This helps keep the interface clean while protecting administrative functions from unauthorized access. Take a few moments to become familiar with the navigation before creating your first article. Categories and keywords. Organization becomes increasingly important as your website grows. Categories group related articles together. For example, all company news might belong to one category, while blogs and events belong to separate categories. This helps visitors browse your website more easily. Keywords provide additional information about your article. Think of them as descriptive labels. They improve searchability, help users discover related content, and support your overall SEO strategy. Choose keywords that accurately represent the article instead of trying to include as many as possible. Quality is always more important than quantity. Before we finish, here are a few best practices. Write clear and descriptive titles. Use high-quality images. Break long articles into sections using headings. Keep paragraphs concise and easy to read. Always preview your content before publishing. Use categories consistently. Choose meaningful keywords. Review older articles regularly to ensure your website stays accurate and up to date. Following these simple habits will help keep your website professional and easy for visitors to navigate.